Hello YouTube family members, welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you are all fine. In this tutorial I will show you how to design parrot more beautiful, stylish or eye-catching. First of all, select a parrot, adjust the parrot, select copy option to duplicate the parrots, then select stroke option which change the borderline color, select color option to change the background. Now your design is ready. You can do it without any experience. I hope you are all fine. Thanks for watching my all viewers. See you in next tutorial. Then click on sticker option. These stickers makes edits more professional. Select sticker, duplicate sticker, select copy option. I hope you will like this type of editing.